Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to cancel or change the lock of your SIM card or chip using your phone settings without any programs. Just follow the steps explained in this video before broadcasting in the explanation. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel, please, and like the video and share the video. Thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you very much. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step is to go to the settings. Then we click on Protection, then we click on Additional Settings or More Settings. After that, we will click on the SIM card lock settings. From here, you can cancel the SIM card lock by clicking here. Then you will be asked to enter the old code, or if you just want to change the SIM card code, click here on Change SIM card code. You will be asked to enter the old code. After entering the old code, click OK, then you will click OK. After that, you will write the new code. Now, if your phone settings are not like my phone settings, the matter is easy. After that, you go out and click on the settings, then write in the settings search engine SIM if after this will show you the SIM card lock settings. Click on it, and it will take you directly to the same interface where you can cancel or change your SIM card lock. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited. What are the problems or suggestions? Write them in the comments, and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.